Hi guys, welcome to Granya's Home and Kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how I renovated the front of my house very inexpensively. We just used paint and deck boards, and thankfully I had the help of my son, who is a very talented carpenter. Okay guys, first thing first, I'm going to wash down the window. This is the same paint I used for my garage door. It's absolutely amazing. It's Sherwin Williams Emerald and it's an acrylic paint. You can't even see the brush strokes on this, guys. It's absolutely incredible. Now I colour matched it to a Home Depot colour called Grey Metal, if any of you are looking to get the same colour. So the first thing I did was mask off the windows and the roof, the vinyl roof above, because I didn't want to get any paint on them. I just thought I'd give you a quick shot of my boys. This is Ollie and Leroy. They're my two dogs that I brought over from Ireland 7 years ago, and I just love them. Now my kids are gone, they've become my babies. In case you're wondering, guys, yes, they are tied up. So this is the first coat of paint going on. It's just so easy. I just used a dollar store brush and the coverage is incredible. As I say, it's almost got a plastic coat finish to it, so it doesn't even look like it's been hand painted. So now I'm coming to do the second coat. I let this dry for probably 2 or 3 hours, and it was a nice sunny day, so it did dry quickly. If the weather isn't as good, I would say leave it longer. Okay guys, I'm going to start the second coat. So this one's been drying for about 2 hours. See you later. I had a little visitor playing with my dogs, a little boy across the road. So there is the window finished, and you can see I've also painted my front door and the trim around my door. So the trim is the same colour as the window and the garage door, and the door is a lovely blue colour. I did already have a blue colour on the door, but I prefer this one better, and I think it blends better with the black. Okay, so Connor's going to just start now on the shutters, and we're just going for a very simple pressure treated shutter. These are pressure treated deck boards. And luckily, when he measured our old boards, they were 5 feet long, and that's the same length as the deck boards. So for 2 of the shutters, he won't have to cut anything off the length. He just has to cut for the 2 pieces of crosswood.
Yeah. So 8 inches.
Yeah.
Why 8?
I just liked the look of it. What do you think? What do you think?
Let me see.
Maybe a bit more, actually. Yeah, maybe a little bit more. Maybe 10.
Maybe 10.
That'd be better, I think.
I feel like 10 probably be better. Yeah, I think 10.
Yeah. Okay.
So if I get an exact measurement, they'll always be the same.
Is that enough?
Yeah, that's perfect actually. So if I just get one measurement of this,
Right.
it'll always be the same.
Okay. Tape to tape it?
No, it's like 16 and a half. 16 and a half is it? Yeah, bang on.
Okay.
Bang on. Then I can just measure each one.
Okay.
You just
perfect.
paint each end?
Yeah.
So literally if you use this as a template then,
Right.
and it's always going to be the same.
Mm-hmm.
So that's your.
Perfect.
That's it there.
Okay. Why those shoes are they mine?
Probably yours.
Oh, yeah, it's okay.
I'm recording this. You two stop having conversations. So how simple is that? There's my first shutter. So we're just going to stain it now, and we're going to seal the edges of the wood with, what's it called, cut and seal?
Cut and seal.
We're going to seal the edges first with cut and seal, and then we're going to stain them with a deck stain. Okay guys, so this is Kieran. Say hi, Kieran. You finally get to see the man behind my camera. So we put up these wooden shutters, and Kieran is adding these, they are studs, like black hammered studs. So what he did was he put a little pilot hole in the wood first, and you can see there now he's just screwing them in. So now we're going to give the porch a really good clean. There was a lot of garden waste and dust and leaves, etc. on the porch. So in a moment you're going to see us at the shutters. I bought plant hangers in Dollarama. They're actually really cute black hangers, and I'm hanging my Hoya pots there for the summer. It was a bit tricky getting the pots in because although it said they were 6 inches and the pots were 6 inches, there was a bit of a struggle getting them in. So Kieran brought out his air compressor for me, which was fantastic. And you'll see here I'm spraying all the dust off of the porch. I also cleaned the mat with it and sprayed down the chairs. So now I'm just going to clean the steps behind the plants and reposition all of those on the porch, and Kieran is doing something at the window there. I'm not sure what he's doing. So there I have cleaned everything and I've put everything back. I just thought I'd show you my beautiful succulents that I have outside for the summer. And now you get a good view of my front porch, and this is my garden. I love my garden. I'm an avid gardener, and you can see there I used some beautiful rocks to decorate my garden patch. So there's the front porch, guys, with the new shutters. You'll also see that I put up 2 new lights which I bought off of Amazon, which are amazing. Kieran did have to run a wire across for the second light. I actually don't know why they didn't put 2 lights on these porches when the houses were built. So here is a view of the front of the house. You'll see the corbel that Connor built for me in the peak. Unfortunately, I didn't get to video him doing this because I wasn't home the day he built it. But he'd built this in situ, so he didn't build it on the ground and put it up. He actually attached it when he was up on the lower roof. And as you can see, he did a beautiful job. It looks absolutely perfect. Coming up now is a picture of the full front of the house. Sorry, it was a very bright day. It's probably not the clearest picture, but you can see here where I did the garage doors. I did a video of the garage doors. I will put a link up for that. I'm very proud of the garage doors. They just turned out so beautiful. And when you look closely at them, there is no way of knowing that they were painted. So I modernized the windows by removing the plastic and spraying the windows with a frosted glass spray. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got some tips and some ideas for your house. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it.